Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, nice to meet you. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you also.
Great,
Okay,
great. Thank you. Thanks. Hi, how are you?
very good. And I saw the documents, and
Mm-hmm.
you can share the screen and give me some idea of the issues so that I can move forward. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So you can see my screen right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so all the things that I have collected in the document are basically uh, on two levels, on design level and coding. By design, I mean that the designer, the graphic designer who made the web design,
Yeah.
uh, made it perfect. And I don't know why, I just can't drag the elements well enough to put them in place. So I'm not sure if that's something that you can do or you would do, but that's something that we need help with. Here, for example, all across the website,
Mhm.
we have these boxes or borders that
Okay.
have been exported as well, but I just can't drag them in the right place. I don't know. So that's
Alright,
one thing.
Mhm.
Yeah. I managed to put the little boy's head in this position because that was something similar, like it was missing, the background was missing. So sometimes
Mhm.
I managed, sometimes I can't do that. I'm not sure
Mhm.
why. That's why I said, okay, we need help.
Got it. Okay,
Um,
so one thing, so you have
yeah.
already Figma design, right? And somehow any developer actually developed the whole website as per the Figma design. So he actually export the contents and images from Figma and adjust there. But there are some gaps, right? So which I need to actually mitigate, yeah?
Yes, so she made a prototype as well,
Got it.
where we can see the CTA buttons, which
Yeah.
color it switches to when you click on.
Mhm.
So all the elements that I collected in the document that needs functionality,
Okay.
she made um, the version in the prototype, like we could see how it works if it's
Okay.
coded. So she cannot code. She's not a web developer. She's a graphic designer, and
Great.
she could make the web design. And so there's the problem that she couldn't. So her job was done from the um, point when she gave us the file. So our
Got it.
job was to export that and make that work in weeks. So all these buttons are, for example, um, I'm missing some design points as well. Like here, for example, this little arrow, this should
Mhm.
be blackish. We have a brand identity guide as well, so you can have all the codes for the colors. So
Yeah.
um, no guessing work. So that's also sorted. So I tried to change these arrows, but the problem is that this is just static button,
Got it.
and you know um, it should have functionality. So
Yeah.
here the only button I could make work,
Yeah.
this one, and I tried to um, copy it to the other pages because
Got it.
basically this is the button we have in the hero everywhere.
Mhm.
Um, but the way I made it work was that I actually found a similar button in
Mhm.
Wix
Got
and
it.
tried to code it, but with ChatGPT, but I didn't. I mean, this works, but the rest don't work.
Okay,
These
so can you
these
tell me what are the functionalities of each button? Like for the green button, so what will actually happen if anyone click on that button?
uh so it would drop the reader to separate pages. You
Right.
know,
Yeah.
I would set the links later on. So basically, um the only thing we need here is is giving functionality to the button and make
Yeah.
sure that it switches to the exact color when you click on it, what we need. And then also, these little things here, the arrows and where we have another button, let me check, like here as well.
Yeah.
This is some reason it's gray, but it should be another color. But the reason I left this like that was that, okay, maybe I shouldn't spend much more time on it because
Right.
I'm not an expert, so
Yeah. No
um
problem.
and then here, so this section is a complete disaster. uh so hang on.
No problem. So if you can give me the Figma design, I can do everything as the Figma. No problem.
Right, amazing. Yeah, so I tried my best. You can see here, I tried to round the edges here, but
Got it.
actually it did round this edges as well, while it should be flat.
Got it. Yeah.
So there are many problems with this section.
We can
Um,
create a total whole. It will be a box. Inside the box, there should be an image, and there should be this is we have to create actually a different layers for each box actually.
okay.
No problem. We can
Yeah.
do that. No problem. Yeah.
Right, amazing. Okay. Here, this one is it's fine. I will just add a YouTube video embedded here, so no problem with this one. Here, it's a simple slide. I would say simple, but I know it's not simple because actually there should be some kind of animation here, or I don't know what, with when you click on the
It's not changing
slide.
actually. Yeah.
Yeah. Altogether we have 6 boxes. This
Yeah.
this was the first slide, and there should be another one. Only 2 slides altogether,
Got it.
where you have 3 reviews for each, and then this button is the same. Like when you click on the button, that's
Mhm.
when you move next to the next slide.
Yeah,
So
good.
yeah, so I tried to add a slide, but then was this automatic arrows,
Got it.
so
Yeah.
this button couldn't function.
Got it. Yeah.
So yeah, and also this animation. I mean, we can say, okay, let's just delete this animation, but we love it so much, and then her job was amazing, so I
Got it. Yeah.
wouldn't if we had an option to code it somehow, I would definitely say yeah, let's do that.
Right.
um yeah, I added the YouTube sorry Google Maps
Mhm.
insert everywhere, like here, and then I will be adding that everywhere, so that's not a problem. This section is fine, it's everywhere on every single page. Also the button here, simple, same thing. So
Yeah.
yeah, so none of the buttons work on the side.
Got
And
it.
then what I'm not sure is that the footer and scrolling back, the header
Yeah.
functionality,
Mhm.
because here these social bars are the same like with the button, like
Hmm.
no,
Yeah.
they don't work, so it's just static.
Static. Yeah.
And then here as well. So I tried to change it to a Wix one, like,
No problem. So
but
just
the colors are important, the design, and
yeah.
then the
Obvious.
brand. So
Yeah.
I would say if there is an expert who can make
Got it.
this exact like one work, that would be amazing. What I don't know also is that this is the footer, like below this line, and
Mhm.
then here it's static, while I can actually click on
Got it.
yeah, but I'm not sure if you should add more functionality to the footer, like in a way that it would be a separate section,
Separate
or
section. Yeah, we can change the
yeah,
background or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, because when I exported the file, there was a blank footer section below this one,
Yeah.
but I deleted it
Got it.
because I thought that that's what I should do. So, okay, and then the
Yeah. So you
menu.
actually create and modify the whole design, right? For yourself.
I didn't know. The thing is, 90% of the design
Ah,
has been exported like it is. So,
yeah,
I,
yeah. You did
I,
a great job as a as a doctor.
yeah,
Actually, you create a whole website. It's really great. Okay,
yeah.
no problem.
So, and the menu is important too.
Yeah.
So, so there is a hover animation when you I can't. I need to check
Okay. Can you?
the Figma file, but you know what? I'm so terrible at the Figma file. I mean, I can't find anything. Oh,
Uh,
hang on. No, sorry. Yeah, so I don't even dare to click on anything here.
got it. Yeah.
It's there somewhere here. Let me. So these are
So how?
these little arrows, and the pink one uh, moves when you click on something,
Mm-hmm.
or just not clicks when you're hovering over a menu item. This thing is moving.
Got it.
There is this prototype somewhere, but once you have a prototype in front of you, I think you will find it.
No problem. We will manage it.
Maybe no, I just okay. So basically, it would be hovering, and then 1 second.
How much
What?
pages are there?
What's that? Oh my God. So sorry.
How much pages are there on the whole website?
How many pages? Hang on 1 second. I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 altogether.
Oh, so great.
I don't know what are these arrows, but anyway, okay. What did I click on? Right. So there is this drop-down menu. 1 sec, I found it. Oh no, sorry, 11. Yes, 12. So if I
Yeah,
just
no,
zoom in, hang on. Where is this? Looking for the drop down. Yes, so here. So this is the design.
the
This
menu
one.
drop down. Got it. Yeah.
So there is the hover thing, and then there is this one.
No problem. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And these are the separate pages, right? So three
Yeah,
separate.
yeah. So I don't know why she put this design here. I think just for demonstrating that. I mean
Yeah,
the drop.
exactly. Just how
Yeah,
actually hover will
yeah.
work. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, let me go back to the website. So here, you can see this animation to like just like at the bottom with
Yeah.
the review section. The reason she put it here is that because originally we thought that this section, the hero, would be a slide, which wouldn't be sliding at the moment, but later on, maybe we could add more content.
Ah.
But honestly, I'm not sure now. So I would just simply remove this one and maybe, I mean,
Okay.
the
So
dots.
for the homepage, hero section, we should make it light to make the website faster actually.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
currently, we are not adding multiple slides, so we can
Mm-hmm.
move dot dot dot. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
remove.
remove that. Yeah, sure. Later on, I think once
Yeah,
we have
later
a,
on.
yeah,
Sure.
okay. What else?
And
Yeah.
what about the other pages? All of the other
Uh,
pages already developed.
all of the okay, so yes, so all the side pages I have exported all of them. So all of them are here. I will go in and rename a few back because originally I started to rename them for the Hungarian language. These are just, generated names by
Mhm.
Figma, so that anyone can find the pages if it, comes to that thing. And then
Yeah.
here, let's say this is the about page. So you can see here design thing here again. So this page is not even rounded to the version we need, and then there's no the thin box here. So
Mm.
yeah, but basically, yeah, even the corners are not right.
Yeah.
So basically, we would need help with going through the page and checking if these things are on place.
Mm.
This is fine. This is fine too. See here, it made the job, but
Yeah.
also if I click in it, I can see that there is the container, and then there is the very, very thin layer of behind.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, yeah.
But
Second.
yeah, okay. Let me simply withdraw and okay. Oh yeah, I can make that work. I found out how I can make that box show, so that's fine. Um, the functionality for that we need more is like here as well. Oh, sorry, no, it's a blank page. So it's a bit slow. I
Yeah,
hope I hope that the document was clear enough. I
yeah,
tried my
yeah.
best to. Okay, so there is this slide, and actually I spent 3 hours on it.
Yeah.
Still, feel free to remove the whole thing and do it again. I mean, it's
Yeah,
just I tried my best. So it should look like exactly what we have in the Figma file, design wise, and functionality as well.
yeah.
So we had these dots here as well, like we have on the homepage and in some places that when you click on the button here, they should be changing
Change.
color.
Yeah.
And then this is just a simple button that would drop you to the price list. But I mean, later on we can change the link. It's just a functionality that we need that I can actually make it work as a button.
Got
Or
it.
you would make it work as a button. So yeah, it's a slide. I mean, no extra categories here or anything. It's a slide, but the functionality and the design is a bit tricky for me, so I cannot make it work alone.
Yeah, constant. And
Yeah.
what about the functionality? So, like, do you have any pricing or booking feature inside your website?
No, no,
Do you
no,
have any?
nothing like that. Thank
Uh,
God.
do
Yes.
you have any plan to integrate that or currently?
No.
Okay, no problem.
We
Okay,
only have a price list and that's it. A pricing page where customers can check how much they would
great.
pay, but that's it. It's like just like a table that would be interactive in a way that you can click on arrows and then it shows jobs down,
Got
but
it.
nothing else. Yeah.
Just
Let
we
me
have
check.
to just design the whole 12 pages as per the Figma, right?
Yeah, but 1 second. I will get to the pricing page in 1 second. I will show you what something that I was going to ask you about. But there is one more thing that I would mention here on this page. So there is this well, process design, like the steps that a customer goes through.
Mhm.
And it actually consists of 8 steps, so the
Uh,
double of it. And she
yeah,
designed it as horizontal.
Yeah,
drag
got
one.
it.
And yes, you asked her like, okay, but how would it work? Like you have the exact pixel width for the website. So no,
Mhm.
the developer can do that, she said, or anybody who can do that can do that. But you know, we struggled with the prototype on Wix. You know, we just sometimes couldn't load things, and we said, okay, maybe because our account is a free one, or I don't
Ah,
know any technical issues. But
good.
I just realized yesterday that either we cannot see all the eight steps um, because of something technical, or she didn't include that in the design. I will ask her. I just emailed her. So that's the turnout. But the main thing here is that we really need that 8 steps. Otherwise, it's not complete. So
Mhm.
if I mean, I can imagine that we can do it with like in 2 rows, like 4, 4, you know, in 2 rows, one and another below each other. Um, or I don't know. So I'm open,
So,
you
okay,
know.
we can do that uh, like vertically as well.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show a sample there.
Yeah, because you know, I really want this to be in the mobile version as well. And she didn't even put it in the mobile version. That's also what I just realized today. So thing
So
is,
if I
I'm
can send a link on Upwork, can you see that?
sorry,
I'm sending a link on Upwork.
Upwork, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
Upwork. Can you please open the link and you can
Mm-hmm.
get some idea. So this is also similar types of work like we sections. So we actually put them. Uh,
Right. Yes.
yeah, that link.
Mm-hmm.
If
Mm-hmm.
you can go to the link, go down,
Right.
go
Right.
down, down, go
Yes.
down. Go down.
Uh-huh. So this one, you mean the on the left?
More.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
Works
like
for
that.
me.
So we can put that horizontally as well.
Right. Okay.
Instead of vertical, 8 points, there is big 8 points. So in vertically, I think that is not good. We can change it, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Yes. So yeah, I think that's the last thing on the yeah, you can see here that I've tried to add the arrows. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What else? Yeah, sorry, it's so slow when I share something. Ah, you can see here that rounded like a lace, I don't know what's the name of it, design element, which we have all
Yeah,
that's missing. So these tiny things,
I understand that.
yeah. No, yeah, that's it. And then the pricing thing. So the pricing list, the pricing page, that's what I was gonna show you. So yeah, I was gonna ask if you can include that in the quote as well, because um, exported, it looks like this, but I think in the Figma file, it's more beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I mean, to me, it
Yeah.
seems like the lines here are just wider. I don't know. But the main thing is that she made the whole page like she put the categories here like that. So
Mm-hmm.
you can click on it. And then
Uh,
this one is just for demonstration. I think that, you know, what would you see if you click on this one
uh,
here?
got it.
Um, this is a quite long list. So I said to my sister-in-law that if this is too complicated or, I mean, too expensive, I don't know. We simply put the table in weeks and it wouldn't work
Yeah.
like this one. Um, I mean, I think that's not a big problem if people cannot
Mhm.
just, you know, click on it all the time. They want to see something. But it would be nice to get a quote for this too, because
So each of the section, inside each section, there will be a pricing table, right?
Yeah. Sometimes it's a 2 items table, sometimes it's 5. So yeah.
Good.
That's all the interaction we have, and
Mm.
like animation or anything like that on the page.
Yeah, we will also have a look into the pricing table to make it better, actually, no problem.
Okay. And then something similar to this one is the frequently asked questions page. So same here. I actually added a new page to the website where I was playing around with the Wix's own built-in FAQ modules, and
Mhm.
that was quite good. So, but I can show you if you want. The only thing is that my version, the categories are not on the left, but
Uh, so you
somewhere
want
on.
actually as per this category, the FAQ will be changed, right?
Yeah.
Got it.
So when you click on the rest
Yes,
of the categories, only the questions where they belong show.
got
That's
it.
I think that's the idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. And actually, she put this one is, I don't know what this is, the fourth one. I I will ask her. That is something that we don't need. It's
Ah,
house rules. It means house rules. So it's I don't know. So
okay,
I
no,
think she accidentally put this in from some other designer. I don't know.
understand that.
Right. So yeah. There is one more slide that bothers me a lot. Uh, that we really need help with. I'm going checking. There is a gallery page. Okay, let me check it. Check it on the website. We have a gallery, and she designed it to be like that. So when we have the categories here, you click on
Mhm.
it, and only the photos
Related
show.
images will be shown, yeah.
Yeah. So there is this headline here as well, but I didn't want to. I tried to move the photo, but I couldn't. So I said, okay,
Ah,
you had the idea, we had the film of five, so you see. So here we wouldn't require or need any uploading or something like that. Just the function, so I could upload or we could upload
yeah.
um,
Yeah, we
as
can make the
many.
structure initially. Later on, we can work together to change the content and images like that.
Yeah, so actually my issue with all these slides here would be that I like them to be kind of unlimited. Like, so if we have a new photo that we would share on the website, I could go in and upload to the under the desired category anytime.
Mhm. Yeah.
So I don't know if it's possible, but
Yeah, you can change it. I will give you a video actually. I will train you later on how to change everything. No problem.
Okay, cool. Right, and then same button here as this one. So um, I don't think that we need any more actions here. The main thing is that the readers or the visitors can choose the
Category and
category, and then yeah.
got it.
Yeah. I think that's all.
Okay. So do you have any deadline in your mind to finish the whole thing?
Yeah, so thing is, the reason I wrote end of August in the document is that
Uh,
because so my dog is that because I'm 9 months pregnant and I could go into labor
yeah,
anytime.
got it, got it. Wow. Yeah.
So I like if it could be done earlier, that would be perfect. The only thing is that I might not be able to react for a few days if I'm in the hospital. My
Uh,
husband could go in and log in my, email and stuff, but he is not in the same field as I am. So,
Correct,
because
correct.
I'm a copywriter, I wrote the copy for the website as well.
I understand
Um,
that.
so they won't know if something is right, wrong, or what's the answer,
Got
Um,
it.
but if I mean it's up to you. If it's okay for you, I'm totally fine with it. If you say
Got
you
it.
can get to it earlier, and then we have this agreement that I might react later,
Got it.
then it's up to you.
Yeah, I understand that. And do you have any budget in your mind for the whole project?
Budget. No, actually, I would be curious what you say, and then we could decide. Because I'm in conversations with a few designers as well,
Yeah.
developers
Mhm.
who have in my circle. So waiting for a few quotes
Got it.
on
Got it. Yeah.
other ends as
Yeah, I
well.
think we will actually can complete the whole thing in 7 days actually,
Oh,
and
amazing.
total budget will be for all of the 12 pages with the functionalities $250 actually
Mm-hmm.
$250, and
250.
as per
Okay.
the Figma I will create everything, and the area of improvement where we can do that, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
And let me know your thoughts within $250 and 7 days timeline. I think we are okay, and we are a
Yes.
team of 32 developers actually, so I think multiple people will can work together to complete the projects earlier actually.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm totally happy with the 7 days as well. If you say it's okay if I don't react, maybe if I'm in
Get it.
hospital with the baby.
I
Um,
understand.
yes. Okay, so the quote, right, I will talk to my sister-in-law.
Yeah, sure.
Um, wait for a few quotes. I think that will come through in a
Sure,
few
sure, no
hours,
problem.
and then I
Take
will
your time. Yeah,
yes,
and let
and then
us
I
know. Yeah.
will be back to you as soon as possible.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Thank you
we
very
yeah, so we can do that through Upwork, right?
Yeah, through Upwork. You can hire me on Upwork. When you are ready, just message me. I will send you a proposal. You just accept and hire
Right,
me. That's it.
right. Yeah,
And after that, I need access of your website. So
sure,
in
sure,
your
sure.
settings option, you can see an option, roles and permission.
Mm-hmm.
From there, you can invite me as collaborator.
Okay,
That's
right.
it.
I
I
understand.
need the Figma design as well.
Yes.
Check actually. That's it. Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. Okay, I will be
Thank
back
you.
to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very. Thank you
Bye.
for your